Welcome to an edition of Wardy's Screencast on using EdPuzzle. We will use this website for, I'm going to record some class instead of meeting and doing lessons as a class, clearly online we can't, and trying to get everybody online one at a time or together may be difficult. So I like to have the lessons recorded so you can watch them at your own pace each week. You want to do it midnight? Cool. 2 in the morning? Okay. I'll be long asleep. 6 a.m.? Hey, whenever you want to do it. Bottom line is this. I kind of want a quick tutorial just to show you how it works and log in and everything. So I'm going to go to edpuzzle.com. You have a link you can click that'll have you join our class. So I'm actually going to put that link in here. You'll have a hyperlink. All right, so EdPuzzle. A lot more interesting. So I need to come up with a username. No. You know what I want you to do? Sign in with Google. Use your Rowan Google account. I instead am going to kind of use my personal one because my Rowan account is the professor one. So I'm joining this as a student. All right, so I want to join this class. It's a Comp 2, Section I2. Yep, this is it. So I'm going to join the class. Bang, I'm in. That's all you need to do to join it. You're going to see do assignments. You just I don't have anything in here yet. You'll click the video, watch it. There'll be some questions generally within it. If there are no questions, I'm just going to post the video in Blackboard or a link to it in our weekly schedule that I'll put on Blackboard. But if I have questions, to check for understanding, make sure you're understanding stuff, make sure you're actively listening to it. Generally, I'm going to use EdPuzzle. So you just kind of follow it. You submit it when you're done. Just make sure you get it done. I can check, make sure you understood stuff. If there's stuff that needs clarifying, either individually or as a group, I can take care of that. And that's really all there is to it. So that's EdPuzzle. It's pretty cool. I like it. Hopefully you do too. And Wardy, Professor Wardy, is out of here.